All right, here is my code. I'm gonna go ahead and run it. It's gonna ask you how many times I want to run. I can put that right there. And as you can see, it generated 15 problems like I asked it to. Yeah, so moving on. A challenge that I faced in this code was having I used SCD pair originally for this vector, and it was only storing this in this character, and that was bad because like this would work, this would generate numbers, but the reason I changed it to SCD tuple, which was the kind of the breakthrough I guess for the code, because that was able to store two numbers in a character instead of one number in a character, and so that way this bottom character would correlate with this one. Originally, it was just printing the top character and the operator, and then it would just generate a random number down here, and that was causing issues. But as you can see, for this code, it's giving us instructions. So 3 is greater than the 1, it's telling to borrow 1, so we get 11, and it's subtracting the 3 from the 11. And yeah, and then it's solving it all the way down, and we get a final answer, which is correct. Um, yeah, so the breakthrough I explained, was SCD tuple instead of SCD pair, and that helped me to store three values instead of just two. Part of this code that I would say I'm really proud of was the instructions, like for my math equations. So obviously, like the carries took a long time, but like it was just trying to figure out and like testing and trial and error of like these little messages that I provided for the solutions on how to solve them. These are pretty difficult to get right. I had to make some temporary values, you can see right here, and so that other values wouldn't get edited. But yeah, it took a while to figure that out, but I'm proud of it because it was definitely like a more tedious aspect of this code. And yeah, that's my code.